Floxxed, Floxxed, Floxxed. I've heard it all. You're in every single Floxxed group. You're taking every single what? Supplement, trying to recover hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of supplements that you spent trying to recover from being poisoned by the fluoroquinolone toxicity. Hi, my name is Dr. Hugh Wegwerth, and I've literally helped hundreds and hundreds of Floxxeds all over the world, just like yourself, recover from the devastating effects from the fluoroquinolone medications. So what I put together here is I've come up with what I call the Margic Trio. Now, this is by far the most powerful protocol I've implemented with my patients. Don't take my word for it. Look down below. Look at Ruthie's testimonial. She was put on the Margic Trio. Look at all the email correspondence I've had with all my patients. They've all been put on the Margic Trio. Now, this is a free download. I want you to get this download. If you're here right now watching this, click the download button here, 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 wherever it is. I go over the exact protocol, where to buy the supplements, how to take them, why is that. So I want to bring value to you trying to help recover from being devastated by the fluoroquinolone toxicities. I get on calls every week that have people that have been just, their lives have been completely destroyed, and I know this protocol can help you. So what's in it? First of all, it's called the Margic Trio, meaning that you need to take all three of these supplements together. You can't take one, you can't take two, you have to do the exact protocol, which is down here, right? Download wherever it is. The first one is magnesium. I call it the magnesium IV drip. I've come up with a very specific protocol on how you can take magnesium as if you're getting an IV drip or an IV drip, but you're actually not getting an IV. This is very critical. Your mitochondria, which you know have been severely damaged by the fluoroquinolone toxicity, your mitochondria need a continual supply of magnesium to produce energy. The second thing is caprylic acid. Well, what the heck is caprylic acid? Caprylic acid comes from coconut oil. Now, coconut oil has many, many different fats in it. One of them is caprylic acid. Now, if you're going to take 1 tablespoon of caprylic acid, 1 tablespoon, you'd have to consume, look at the Floxxeds, 18 tablespoons of what? Coconut oil. 18 tablespoons of coconut oil to get 1 tablespoon of caprylic acid. 18 tablespoons, OMG. Can you say GI distress? Okay, so the caprylic acid is what? It's the most cleanest fuel source that your mitochondria need to produce energy. Your mitochondria are damaged. We want to give your mitochondria the easiest fuel source to get into the mitochondria and start producing energy. And then they have magnesium, which turns the wheels. So now we're starting to produce ATP and heal the mitochondria. The third thing here is fish oil. Now you're probably thinking, Doc, I already take fish oil, and you probably do. The thing is, when you've been floxed, you need a Floxxed dose. You need a super dose. So what I recommend is fish oil in liquid. Why? Because you can get a super dose of fish oil in liquid. Now, when you look at the fish oil, it says take 2 capsules per day. Okay, and guess what that's for? That's for healthy people. That's for me that doesn't have any health problems. Floxxeds, you've been floxed. You need a super dose of all the supplements. We need to saturate your cells of these nutrients for you to recover. So this is why you want to take fish oil in liquid. Now, here again, it's called the Margic Trio because you can't do 1, you can't do 2, you need to do 3, and you want to have the protocol. I'm giving this protocol away for free because I want to make sure that you get value, that you can start to heal. Floxxeds, on that note, where there's help, there's hope. Take care.